Can we do two at the same time?
Oh, shit. Oh, this is a bad idea, man. Hari kedua dari BarberCon, hari ini akan selesai BarberCon, cuma dari jam 10 sampai jam 4. Tapi first of all kita nganterin Jai dulu ke Central karena dia mau langsung balik ke London habis dari sini. Terus kita akan lanjut ke Manchester, Liverpool, Leeds, Sheffield. Untuk nanti malam kita akan pindah kota. We'll see, hari kedua apakah masih seramai kemarin. Kita ganti baju. Tungguin aja, kita lihat ke BarberCon.
FYI, hari ini tidak terlalu ramai karena hari ini hari Senin. Beda sama kayak di Jakarta. Oh ya?
Ada antrian ya. Jadi hari ini mungkin kita bisa ngobrol-ngobrol, bisa bikin konten juga, bisa nanya-nanya, bisa lihat-lihat booth lain juga karena barang udah habis.
Iya, barang
semua.
Barang udah habis, ceritain gitu.
Jadi kemarin ceritanya sebenarnya sampai hari pertama udah mau tutup tuh barang kita masih ada. Cuma ternyata ada barber owner dari Polandia suka banget sama Chief. Akhirnya semua diborong, nggak boleh dijual di hari kedua, diborong, dihabisin.
Oke.
Jadi diborong, dihabisin semua untuk di hari pertama habis. Kita nggak akan bawa barang pulang, kita nggak bisa kasih sampel ke kota lain, but it's okay.
As we speak, kita actually udah kasih instruksi ke tim supplies untuk kirim samples. Kita harus gerak cepat. Ya, emang harus begitu.
Bro, ini kalau nggak salah Barberman Wall. Hi. From Indonesia. Chief. Hi. So we are live for YouTube. Do you mind salah satu Andrea Raymond. Andrea Raymond itu artistic team member. Jadi bisa dilihat sini. Hi, how are you doing?
How are you? Good.
We are from Indonesia, Chief.
Chief? Yes, I know exactly who you are.
Yes.
I think I spoke to you ages ago about maybe getting some of your pomade.
Yes.
What happened, but yeah.
How are you?
Oh, good, thank you. Good.
So, we are vlogging now. Just want to chat a little bit. Probably you can tell us about the story about Cyphels, about pomade and everything to Indonesian users.
So, Copacetic is part of the Savills brand.
Yeah.
Savills is the barbershop, and we run an academy from there as well, and then products was just the next thing for us to do. So copacetic is a 1920s slang word, and it means everything is satisfactory, everything is okay. And the reason why I chose the name is because of the era, the 1920s era, which is obviously what I'm about, the shop's about. As you can see here from the banner, this is obviously the shop, what the shop looks like. And so I wanted something that went with that. We have 4 products in the range. Okay. The clay, which is a matte finish.
This clay.
And then we have the cream.
What is the fragrance?
The fragrance is lime and black pepper.
Lime and black pepper. This is matte. Matte itu lebih dry.
And the paste is a semi-matte.
This is paste.
Softer, slightly longer hair. And that's also lime and black pepper.
Yeah.
And then we have the pomade.
Water-based.
Which is a water-based pomade, medium hold, which is really fresh, like aftershave sort of smell, citrusy.
Very nice. I like the smell.
And then we have the cream, which is almond. Almond smells. Everybody loves the smell.
Nice.
It's a great smell, really strong. Yeah.
Very nice.
The products are water-based.
All right.
No petroleum-based products.
And then, what about the barber? Can you tell a bit about the barber?
The barbers. So with the barber shop, we have 10 working stations. There's 14 barbers. We're traditional cuts and shaves, but we also do kind of modern stuff as well. Long hair, a lot of textured stuff. But mostly what we're known for is the classics.
All right.
And then we run an academy from there where we teach other barbers from all over the world.
Awesome.
We've had people come from Indonesia, and we've had people from Australia and New Zealand, all across Europe. And we do 1, 2 and 3 day courses for qualified barbers for advanced techniques. And it's just kind of our method and our way of doing things. That's kind of how we work.
Okay. Can you tell a little bit about the course, because most of Indonesian currently they really want to learn about how to cut, but they don't know where to go.
So we do 3 courses,
Yeah.
1-day shaving course, a 2-day clipper confidence course. They'll tell you all the equipment that you need and everything else.
Jadi buat kalian yang mau belajar how to cut, barbering, you can go to where's the location? Jadi tempatnya ada di Sheffield, sangat gampang banget. Kalau kalian datang dari London itu sekitar hanya 2 jam aja langsung ke Sheffield. Bisa di booking langsung ke sheffieldbarbers.com. And then this is the price. Kalau misalkan 2 tahun bisa masuk ke Clipper Confidence 350 pound. Kemudian lebih dari 2 tahun pengalaman di barber bisa masuk ke Master Barber 475 pound. And then you can learn from the master. Thank you so much for your time.
Really nice to see you, yeah. Great.
Good luck. Thank you.
Thank you, bye.
Jadi gue lagi ngantri untuk dapat potongan dari Scorem. Jadi kalau misalkan dulu pernah lihat di Palembang, gue dipotong sama Chico. Chico adalah salah satu jebolan Scorem. Nah, gue pengen ngerasain langsung dari barber yang ada di Scorem. Jadi hasilnya kayak gimana? Apakah sama? Atau kalau lebih keren? Nanti kita lihat. Sebenarnya gaya potongan rambut gue udah terlanjur pendek sih, karena kemarin sebelum berangkat udah dipotong duluan. Tapi ya masih ada sedikit-sedikit lah mungkin yang bisa di modelin sama dia, tambah tekstur atau tambah lagi. Kita kasih challenge aja ke dia. Kalau motongin rambut panjang kan udah biasa, flat top. Jangan flat top juga, nanti nggak banyak-banyak rambut gua kalau di flat top. Oh, I just got a haircut like 2 weeks ago. I hope it's not too short. We can do something.
Yeah, we can mold it a little bit.
Right.
It's really short hair.
Yeah.
It would look so much better if it was rounder.
Okay,
Right?
cool.
But on the top, I'm gonna just style it really different.
Jadi walaupun rambut gua masih pendek, tapi dia akan bikin lebih shape-nya akan lebih bulat. We'll see jadi kayak gimana. Alright. Just let me know if there's anything else that is not right with my hair. Don't forget to follow Fire Poland on Instagram. Party's over. Baru mati lampu karena kebanyakan pakai hair dryer. Satu hair dryer 2000 watt, pakai clipper, habis satu stand habis. Lawrence just licked my hair. Don't do it.
Yeah, guys. Where's one of you? Yola! Damn it, Yola!
Waiting for him. Amazing work.
Touch this area, get your parting in the right place.
Yeah.
Do not touch the crown. Ever, ever, ever.
Do not touch this, right?
Yeah?
You need to tell to the camera.
Do you know why we had this bit bouncing up? Because where he had his haircut last time, they gave him a razor part too low to where it should be. So that's where his part really is. So I've said for 3 weeks where that gap is now in between the hair, until it grows out, it's gonna bounce. But this now is where his hair naturally wants to fall, right? Even with Asian hair, and you should never, ever, 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 ever take this off. Because you see the angle that I did? It's still square to the head. So this length here could be an extra whole inch bigger and still be straight, right? So that was stupid. And then this area, I blended it out pretty good, but it was to undercut till here. But the way that I've blended it and used our Rosal white and green, because it's the only brand in the world where you can mix the oil and water at the same time. And so you can camouflage it a little bit. Yeah? Oh! Domino's!
Jadi gue baru aja experience haircut in Scorum with Pirates Paulus. Pirate Paulus ini kasih masukan beberapa tentang gaya rambut gue. Sebelumnya side partnya itu partingnya terlalu rendah, jadi harusnya lebih tinggi dari itu. Kemudian bagian belakangnya harusnya shapingnya harus ngikutin the temple of the head. And then the most importantly is bagian sini. Jadi hasil potongan sebelumnya itu terlalu ke belakang, harusnya agak lebih ke depan. Jadi memang ada beberapa hal yang perlu diperhatikan dan memang itu menjadi gaya ciri khas Scorum. Dan itu cuma bisa didapetin kalau lo belajar di Scorum. Langsung di sana ketemu sama Bertus, ketemu sama Lawrence, ketemu sama Paulus, dan mereka yang akan ngajarin on how to get the real haircut, the real fade. Based on Scorum way. Hah?
Beda banget.
Beda banget ya. Hello, how you doing, man? Let's take a picture together. Yeah, come with.
Udah semua ya?
Malaysia.
Coki kemana?
Socializing. Udah beres semua, Fat?
Udah, semua beres. Beberapa barang kita bukan mesti sih, kita putusin tinggal karena kita mau bawa barang banyak-banyak. Kita mau travel light. Di sini kita akan kunjungin beberapa barbershop di kota-kota di UK, Manchester, kota pertama. Kita akan kasih tunjuk. Oh iya, by the way, Bung Jaya mau pulang habis ini. So sad. Udah 14 hari di sini, homesick. Plus kangen puasa, kangen sahur, kangen berbuka, kangen keluarga. Jadi kita akan lanjut sampai kira-kira tanggal 18.
Sure, go ahead.
Udah habis, selesai semuanya hari ini. Nggak terlalu rame, nggak seramai kemarin. Cuma yang paling seru adalah kita bisa lihat kelas, kita bisa lihat workshop, terus kita bisa ngobrol dengan top star di dunia barber. Ada Miguel dari Nomad Barber, ada siapa lagi tadi?
Nyolong-nyolongin kaos.
Scorum, Lawrence sama lupa gue namanya. Nelly. Namanya Nelly. Habis itu kita ketemu siapa lagi ya? Uppercut tadi nggak sempat ketemu. Tadi mau ketemu sama juaranya Wall, malah lupa.
Oh iya, cewek.
Andrea Raymond. Cuma oke lah. Habis ini kita masih lanjut Chief Barber Voyage, Manchester, Liverpool, Leeds, Sheffield, terakhir London. Kita akan padetin dalam berapa hari? 5 hari.
Oke.
Islandia, Kroasia, Finlandia,
Polandia, Slovakia, Rusia September.
Masih banyak lagi. So, that's a wrap untuk episode hari ini. Mau tutup sekarang?
Tadi udah gue tutup. Tadi udah keprak.
Tutup 2 kali.
Thank you. It was a pleasure. It was really an awesome trip with you guys. Always been.
Yeah. Next time ya.
I see you guys in Jakarta soon.
Yes.
I have to take my.
Jakarta, really?
Thank you, man.
Yeah, I have
You
to.
just came to Jakarta last month.
Kalau habis the stop.
Habis raya ya?